Hey guys, welcome to another video, and in this video we're going to be talking about buying Bitcoin from person to person. Buying Bitcoin from another person is a great way to bypass fees and regulation while acquiring coins or cryptocurrency. Initially, Bitcoin could only be bought from other people as there were not exchanges that could facilitate or would facilitate the sales of Bitcoin for cash. Today, however, peer-to-peer Bitcoin sales are not as common. Still, though, there are ways to buy Bitcoin from other individuals. You can actually buy Bitcoin from me if you are in my Telegram group. So that's like a person-to-person way of buying Bitcoin. The easiest way to buy Bitcoin from another person is if you have a personal friend who you deem trustworthy, as in the case with just about anything. Just like you can buy a car from somebody, you can buy a laptop from somebody, you can buy a phone from somebody if you trust the person. Bitcoin or otherwise, completing a Bitcoin sales in person is just best bet for success. If you have a friend that you can trust, the transaction does not need to be in person. In order to buy Bitcoin or cryptocurrency from someone else, all that you need to do is tell them what your wallet address is. They will send the agreed upon amount of Bitcoin or cryptocurrency to the wallet that you provided, and in an hour or less, the Bitcoin will be in your possession. How you pay for these coins or cryptocurrency is entirely between you and the seller. Again, since a Bitcoin transaction is both permanent and a person-to-person transaction is effectively unregulated, you should ensure that all proper precautions are taken before you decide to buy Bitcoin from someone else, especially if you do not know them well. Other than a person that you know on a personal level, there are websites that helps to facilitate peer-to-peer Bitcoin transactions. In Nigeria, you can buy from instantgold.ng or you can buy from nairacryptocurrency.com. The most popular of these sites is localbitcoins.com. On this site, you will be able to find both buy and sell prices from individuals. In order to complete a transaction on localbitcoin.com, In order to complete a transaction on local Bitcoin, you will usually need to make a deposit into the bank account of the person selling. While local Bitcoin is not as convenient as speedy. While local Bitcoin is not as convenient or speedily as other solutions like instantgold.ng or Naira cryptocurrency, you will be able to find better price on coins from time to time. In addition, you may also be able to save a transaction fee. Local Bitcoin is one of the ways to buy Bitcoin that should be considered, but it is worth keeping in mind that it is neither the safest nor the easiest option available. We recommend using a service like local Bitcoin for buying Bitcoin only after you have achieved moderate level of experience with Bitcoin transactions. If you want to buy Bitcoin, you can actually buy from me through my Telegram group. Okay? Once again, subscribe to this YouTube channel if you've not done so, and watch my next video on how to sell Bitcoin.